Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So today's video, as you can see already, is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do. You probably, if you're watching this video, you've either gone through this or you are currently going through this, and so what I wanted to do is I wanted to create a video that would help you avoid the same mistakes that we usually make as new beginning affiliate marketers or internet marketers online. Avoid those mistakes so that you don't make them again in 2019. And that mistake is how you create multiple streams of income online. In this video, I want to kind of walk you through some of the mistakes a lot of us make and how you can once and for all stop shiny ball syndrome and stop spinning your wheels, because I'm going to give you the foundation of creating multiple streams of income online the right way. If you want to know how to do that, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We're going to have so much fun with my horrible handwriting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so let's dive right in. So as I was doing the workshop, the instructor was telling us, write down all the streams of income that come into your business, right? And in the beginning, I was like all over the place with what those multiple streams of income were. But let me give you an idea of how I worked this out during the training that I was doing. Okay, so basically, and I'm sorry, I got a band-aid because I have a little boo-boo there. I busted my hand up. I hurt myself when the trunk door was coming down, and yeah, dumb accident. But anyway, so here is what I want to show you. So here we go. Here is my brand, right? This is me. This is my business, which is Rise Marketing and Design, right? And in that brand, I have different streams of income, okay? I've got BuilderAll, which, if you don't know what BuilderAll is, it is a digital marketing software, all-in-one marketing tool. You can build websites, sales funnels, all kinds of cool tools it has, and that's kind of like a huge part of my business. Okay, and then I've got my own products that I've created, little mini products. They're nothing huge, but they're good little courses. This is My Story, the My Story method. This is the 30-minute lead magnet. This is my color branding for beginners. And the thing about my business is that all these things, they somehow relate to my primary program, which is BuilderAll, right? The My Story method teaches you how to, if you're not good at direct sales, well, it teaches you how to tell stories that help you market your products. The 30-minute lead magnet helps you create an ebook and put it in a funnel, right? And that all leads back to using BuilderAll, right? And then my color branding for beginners, it's basically a branding course that teaches you how to make your graphics look nice online so you look put together. But guess what? All that intertwines and goes back to my primary program, right? And by the way, my company is Rise Marketing and Design, which is all about rising to your potential, right? Online, becoming who you were meant to be, you building a business that also allows you to have a life, and build a business that you love online, and marketing and design, which is part of that, right? Because we have to market and we have to brand ourselves, brand our companies. So it all makes sense. They all work together, right? And then I'm going to be releasing a signature course this year. That's under wraps still, but that's another stream in there. And then I've got Thrive Themes, which I'm an affiliate for, okay? And then Thrive Themes is a WordPress theme, and they pay me also 50% commissions, so that's another part of my business. And then I've got MLSP, which is a marketing training program. It's a marketing training community. Okay, so as you can see, each one of these, they all go together. They're all marketing related or design related right? Or they're lead generation related. They're all related to the main theme, which is rise, marketing, and design. Okay? Now, this is where a lot of people go wrong, including myself in the beginning. So don't feel bad when I'm telling you this, okay? Don't feel bad when I'm telling you, because I did this myself. All right? So let's go ahead and open up another white paper. Okay? So here we go. All right. So here we go. This is what most people do. Multiple streams of income equals, okay? Then they've got different business opportunities that they have in their arsenal of, offerings, okay? So it could be Bitcoin. I'll just put here Builderall because, that's a great business opportunity as well. Some people are also, if you ask them, they also have a weight loss supplement that they're promoting. Okay, so far they're promoting Bitcoin, they're promoting Builderall, they're promoting weight loss supplements, and some even have also maybe a travel. So they're doing a travel also, right? And then, of course, we can't forget, we got to make cash right now. So a lot of people also have some quick cash kind of program. Okay, now in and of themselves, there's nothing wrong with promoting any of these programs. Here's where the problem comes. You have to look at the business as if it was a startup. Okay? What is a startup? A startup is a business that's getting off the ground. Okay? It's the kind of business that you see on Shark Tank. It's the kind of business that you see on The Profit. If you're not watching those kind of TV programs, I highly recommend you check them out because their business programs are going to teach you a lot, okay? But you have to look at each and every one of these as like a child, okay? That you have to pay special attention to and that you have to put a lot of energy into, right? And you have to nurture it in order for it to grow. And just like the instructor was saying inside of our training, if you're trying to run 5 startups at the same time, what do you think is going to happen? You're either going to burn out, or nothing is going to get off the ground, or it's just going to all straight out, flat out collapse because you've got too many. This is a focus issue. This is insanity right here when you have all these different things in your business, and none of them really go together. Now, I am going to show you how Builderall can kind of put all these things together. I'll show you that in a second. But if you have these different things and you're promoting them as a business, it's going to be really hard. Your attention is going to be completely distracted, diverted, and unfocused. Okay? Now, let me show you how this could work if you do it the way I do it. Okay? So let's take the weight loss supplement. All right? So let's take another page here. All right, so let's say you pick one. Pick a business. You got to pick one to lead with, okay? And by the way, right below this video, I have a more extensive training that I prepared for you, and it's totally free. You can go ahead and check it out. Just enter your name and email at the link below. And I've got a little downloadable PDF that's going to help you flesh out your business model, and it's going to help you really lay down this foundation for your business. That way you are no longer unfocused, you are no longer distracted, and you are you eliminate that shining ball syndrome that so many of us suffer with. Okay, so let's say here you are promoting a weight loss supplement. That's your passion. That's your number one. That's the thing that makes you money. That's the thing that you can get behind. That's the thing that it just lights you up. Okay, so how do you create multiple streams of income inside of this? Remember, you have to consider each and every business opportunity as a startup. You know how much time, energy, money has to go into a startup? You have got to start looking at these business opportunities as an actual business so that you can create long-term income. Okay, the only reason I've been able to sell over 202 licenses and earn 4 figures a week in my business is because I focused and I have this set up in my business. Okay, you have a primary program. Primary, you must have a primary. The primary is, what do you focus most on? What do you lead with? And then everything else is cash flow. You need cash flow products, and you need, when you're decorating a house, you've got the main anchoring element that dictates the overall theme of the room, and then you've got the paint, which kind of ties everything in together, and then you've got little accessories, little knickknacks everywhere that complement the overarching theme of your business. You understand? So you need a primary, and I go deeper into this into my training when you click on the link below. Okay, so primary, and you've got cash flow products to create some cash flow right now, and then you have your complementing affiliate offers. Okay, so weight loss supplement, that's your primary. You're with a network marketing or affiliate program that you sell, a weight loss supplement. So what could be a cash flow product in this business? It could be a recipe ebook. It could be fitness merch. Okay, these are things that create cash flow right now. This could be like $27 fitness merch. Maybe you're selling $20 t-shirts. Okay, these are things that produce cash right now. Maybe it is also a little mini course, that you can sell for $147. Okay, they all still relate to this main thing. And then you can have complementing affiliate offers. So maybe there are a weight bench on Amazon. Maybe there's if it relates, let's say for example you have like skincare supplements that you also take because of your weight loss, maybe something to help you with loose skin. I don't know, I'm just making things up. So they may have the supplement on Amazon, and you can also share that with the people that you are building your list on. Okay, you can share that in your email follow-ups. All right, but when you're marketing, you are marketing this, and all this other stuff is like in your funnel. Okay, now I go deeper into this inside my training, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and click on the link right below this video. You can download a PDF, and I also have a video for you that goes a little deeper into this. And honestly, I should be charging for this training, but I want to really help you establish this foundation, because once you realize that when you're doing business, A has to lead to B, has to lead to C, has to lead to D. It has to make sense. Okay, now the last thing I want to tell you is, how can Builderall relate to all these things? Let's say for example you're in a weight loss company. Okay, well, when you're building your funnels, when you're building your website, that's promoting you or branding you, when you're using these tools to promote these things, you can sell your ebook through Builderall. You can sell your fitness merch through Builderall, because we are an all-in-one marketing platform. We have checkout systems, we have shopping cart systems, we have funnel builders, social proof tools, copywriting tools. So we can help you create all the marketing mechanisms that you need to promote this stuff. Okay, and once you start really getting this off the ground, people are going to ask you to teach them how you did this. How did you become a waitlist, number one in your company, or how did you sell your products online? And then you can introduce Builderall, because it was the backbone tool to help you do that. Okay, so anyway, I hope that this helps you guys and gals. Remember, let me go back to the other page. Where was it? This, you have to look at your business as a startup. Your business is a startup. Each and every business that you join, okay, is like a startup. If they don't relate to one another, then something's going to suffer. Something's going to have to take the back burner. Okay, so I highly recommend that you pick one and you lead with one. Pick with the one that you can create content around. Pick the one that you really love. Hey, pick the one, if it makes you money, but it also makes you happy, if it's something that you're passionate about, freaking pick that one and lead with it. Builderall pays $50, 100% commission. Some people don't see that as a lot of money, but because I love it so much, I do well with it because I just love it so much. But you might find that you can lead with something else that makes you more money now, and then you back end Builderall, or you use Builderall as the tools to help you promote that business, whichever way you want to do it. But pick one, stick with one, and stay focused and treat your business as if it was a startup. Pretend you're going to take this business in a year to Shark Tank and ask for mentorship from these sharks. What would you do when you go in there in the tank and they say, okay, what's your business? Well, let's see, I've got a Bitcoin business, I've got this business, I've got a weight loss supplement business, I've got a travel business, and I got this quick cash program. They're going to be like, what? You understand what I'm saying? So this is your blueprint, this is your foundation. And when you download when you opt into my training, when you click on the link right below this video, I'm going to give you an actual PDF that you can download so you can fill all these things out, and we'll go deeper into how to actually create a blueprint for your business. So anyway, guys and gals, I really hope that you found this valuable. Maybe you don't get it right now, but I promise you, hold on to this training. Okay, hold on to my PDF, fill it out, watch the video. Because one day when the light bulb strikes in your head and you actually get it, it's going to click. You are going to be so thankful that you have that, and it's going to make sense to you. Okay? So anyway, guys, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. If you enjoyed this video and if you got an aha moment, or if you got value from it, if you learned something, please go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to hit the notification bell before you leave so that you can be alerted on when I upload my next video. So guys, don't make the same mistakes going into 2019. Really make that leap into thinking like a business owner, okay? And start, investing in this type of education and knowledge so that you can finally have a breakthrough and start building long-term thriving income online. All right, guys and gals, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye.